Nothing like a hot cup of coffee on this cold, rainy Sunday. Next Sunday is the Super Bowl. Let's see who will win, Kansas City or Tampa Bay. We'll see what happens. But both of them ain't my team, so it ain't none of my business. I'm just here to watch. Good morning, my longtime rival friend. Nothing but love for everybody. And I'm still receiving birthday cards. That's why I haven't took pictures of it yet. Because where I went to before, and I'm still going to go back, they were very busy on schedule to make sure people are wearing their mask and stuff and staying sanitized. But I'm staying right at home, staying much safer than being around so many people. I have not abandoned my friends there. I just had to go until this COVID-19 dies and goes out of our lives forever. I gotta start doing more live videos. Even though I get bored, I still gotta do live videos a lot of times. Just been too naughty by being lazy. Dang, I wish I see some snow here. When will I ever get snow in South Carolina? Never. But I know one day I'll see it. But this is probably the time to do it. We had it before. But when it comes again, I'll definitely make sure I get a video of this. Even if it's at night, if I have to turn on the lights on my camera. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Oh yeah, let me tell you about that prime rib I made the other day. It was so perfect. It was so fabulous. It's all gone quickly because it was only a small roast. Nothing too big because I don't need nothing that big. But I'm going to get that again in the future because it was a perfect 10 on that. Y'all have a blessed Sunday, and I love you all. Talk to you again on live. Peace.